Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be using dip powders and polygel to do a Christmas inspired color block nail design. So let's get right into the video. I actually did this design a while back. It was inspired by long hair pretty nails. So I'll leave a link to the video I did last year. It was done with only dip powders. But I've always wanted the clear area to be really clear, and with the powders it's either a hit or miss. Sometimes it's clear and sometimes there are a lot of bubbles, so I wanted to try it with polygel. So what you saw me doing there was applying my Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate the nail, and now I place 3 layers of the clear dip powder on my nail. Now I place tape on the nail, and using my Revel nail frostbite, I just place a thin layer of base on the nail bed area and poured the dip powder on the nail. I did 3 layers of that. Then I removed the tape and did one more layer of the frostbite dip powder on the nail. I did the same for the tip area, but I freehanded it because it was a small space. I did about 3 layers of that. Then I encapsulated the area with 1 layer of clear dip powder. Then I placed activator on the nail, waited for it to harden, then began filing. There wasn't much filing to be done. I just made sure my color block lines were straight and even out anything on the nail that needed to be even out. I don't know why I didn't show my filing, my bad for that. Now I placed some base coat on the nail and stuck some of the glitter and snowflake on the nail. Then I place some base coat on the whole nail because it is necessary so that the polygel could attach to the nail, and then I cure it for 30 seconds. Now, using my slip solution, I just place some in the cup and I place some of my polygel on the nail and then evenly distributed it on the nail to encapsulate my design and cure it for 30 seconds. I did another layer to get my apex as well and cured for 30 seconds. Then I sprayed some alcohol on my nail to remove the tacky layer and filed the nail off camera. This is after filing, and now I apply my Mother Wand gel glue and a top coat and placed some rhinestones on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.